Bekmuhammedova Dilobar, Uzbekistandanman. Mani kasalligim shu vaqt davomida biz analizli topshirganmiz. Toshkentdagi doktorlarimiz barcha doktorlar genetik deb bizani kasalligimizni genetik deb aytishgan. Toshkentda yana pochka qo'ydirmoqchi bo'lganimizda bizaga sizlarda genetik bo'lib, sizlarda jigar tomonidan bizni keyin shu Hindistonni tanlab, Hindistonda bir qancha marotaba uchrashdik. Analiz javoblarini ko'rsatdik. Bu davomida doktor Rana ham bizga katta yordam berdilar.
Miss Dilobar was suffering from primary hyperoxaluria. By the time she came to us, her one kidney was removed and she was on dialysis for 1 year and she was not making any urine. Another important thing about this disease is it is not just one member of the family. Sometimes there are multiple members of the family suffering from this disease. And in her situation, both the siblings had the disease and she lost both the siblings over last few years. One of them even got a kidney transplant but ultimately could not survive.
So for this situation, the best answer is combined liver and kidney transplant. This becomes a challenging case. And there are multiple challenges for this case. We have to get 2 donors, one for the kidney transplant, one for the liver transplant.
Kenayim kelib, xolam kelib, ahvolini tushuntirishdi, shunaqa kasalligi avjiga olib, mazasi bo'lmayotgan tushuntirishdi. O'sha kelishganda, men topshirib ko'raman, qon guruhlarim to'g'ri kelsa.
But even before we did liver transplant, on the same day, first we removed the other kidney which was not working and which had multiple stones. Because if we leave that kidney would be a source of infection and we can't leave any infection in her body. So ultimately she had 3 surgeries on the same day: removal of 1 kidney, a liver transplant, a part of the liver was implanted from a relative, and a new kidney transplant. By the grace of God, everything went well.
Doktor Shitaga o'z yordamlarini katta ayashmadi bizga. Har tomonlama nima deydi, mukammal.
I wish very good luck and healthy life for Mrs. Dilobar, and I request her to take care of the immunosuppressions lifelong, take care of the weight. She is little on the higher side. I have advised her that she'll be staying active, drinking good amount of water, so that the future chance of stone recurrence are less. There should be no rejections and other complications. I pray to God for that, that she'll stay happy and healthy in the life always.